Hi guys, Andrew McComb here and welcome to Outlier TV, where we share inspiring stories of ordinary people doing extraordinary things with their businesses and or their lives outside the comfort zone, as they inspire other potential outliers to do the same. An outlier is someone who's different to others in the group. They think differently, they march to the beat of their own drum. And you'll find that if the world's doing one thing, outliers are doing the opposite. We're agitators, athletes, innovators, inventors, disruptors, creators, experts, rebels, misfits and entrepreneurs. We're high achievers and we're never happy with the status quo because we know we have infinite potential and we're driven to realise it. We just look at the world differently. Our Outlier Content and Channel focuses on the why and the what and not the how to. Although we still do teach outliers all of the necessary steps to create and share their message or business with the world. Deep down we're about the silence and the stillness, and we're definitely not about adding more noise. So each week we're going to be sharing inspiring interviews and educational videos that'll help you connect with your inner outlier in your business or your life. So I invite you to subscribe to the Outlier TV channel and you'll be the first to know when we've uploaded a brand new video. And remember to comment below to say hi, or just ask us a question, or even suggest an outlier for an episode or an idea for a video. I look forward to supporting you to make your outlier life a reality. I'll see you soon.